These are all the components, spare parts, what we keep it at our stores.
Okay.
You will get multi-brand electric bike spare parts at our stores.
Okay.
You have these are the electric horn switches,
Okay.
and this is an headlight switch.
Okay.
This is the switch connector. What I said is brake switch. This is the brake switch connector. Flashers, indicator flasher.
Okay.
These are headlight on-off switches.
What can be these? These seem to be affordable pricing. Are these?
These not cost more than 50, 65, 75.
Okay.
And different ranges are there. Different models and different ranges.
So any electric two-wheel in the market, all the parts will be available here.
Almost now we are maintaining all the spare parts to provide the service and spare part to all the dealers and distributors around Telangana, Andhra,
Okay.
Hyderabad. We are providing all the spare parts here.
Okay.
Since from last 15 years we are providing the spare parts all over Andhra, Telangana. And these are the different type of throttles. These are the different type of electric throttles.
Okay.
Provided with a forward and rewind switches, and this is another model. A different type of suitable for all brands of electric scooters. These are the DC converters,
Okay.
which converts 36, 48, 60 and 72 volts to 12 volts,
Okay.
which helps us to switch on the lights, horns, and for all these things we'll connect this DC converter to switch all the lights and horns.
Okay.
This has in different ranges also, 15 amps, 10 amps, 20 amps, required for the e-rickshaw, scooters, cycles and different models. We'll use different range of DC converters. These are the ignition switches
Okay.
used generally for the retrofit and e-rickshaws.
Okay.
These are the lithium e-bike charging card.
Okay.
This is the charging card which is used for lithium ion batteries.
Okay.
And these are the Anderson sockets,
Okay.
mostly used for electric rickshaws
Okay.
and lithium batteries also. And this is another type of socket
Okay.
which is used for e-rickshaws and electric scooters to connect the charger.
Okay.
This is costing around 150 rupees. Different sizes of bearings which are used for electric vehicle wheels.
Okay. Wheels or the motor, inside motor?
That is the wheel. What is the motor is the wheel.
Okay.
That is the hub wheel, where inside it has been used for the front wheel and rear wheel.
Okay.
Different motors consists of different range
But
of
mostly
different.
come with rear hub motor only, right?
Yeah, rear hub motor. Mostly it is rear hub motor. Different sizes of bearings are used, and these are the controllers.
So you said most of the problems with the controller only, right?
Yeah, mostly the controllers will get failed.
Okay.
So this is 48 volts controller,
Okay.
sine wave, and this is another type of controller. This is also sine wave controller, which is used for e-rickshaw conversion kit. And these are all the connectors what we have, which is used to connect the controller, accelerator,
Okay. Connector.
most of the connector pins. All this we keep it in stock.
Okay.
And this is the charging sockets.
I think this is one more problem, right? People,
Yes,
they used to have the
they,
common problem.
regularly this will get fail.
Okay.
It is with cap.
How much is the cost?
This is 55 rupees. These pins are very important things.
Okay. What are these?
This is the connecting pins,
Okay,
which are used in these sockets.
Okay. What will be the price?
This costs you 2 rupees each.
Okay, 2 rupees. But it is very important even.
It is very important. Most of the times it is not available at most of the customers, dealers.
Okay.
They'll simply disconnect it and they'll tape it. So
Okay.
it is not the proper way to do. Always use these connectors and pins whenever it is required.
You said one brake switch.
Brake switch I show you. This is the brake switch. When you push it,
Okay.
it will disconnect the motor.
Okay.
Yeah, this is how.
Hmm.
When you push it, it will brakes.
Okay.
When you leave it, automatically gets connected.
Okay. So this is
This is
actually damaged a lot of time.
Yeah, most of the times this simple thing, it will cost you not more than 75 rupees.
Okay.
They don't use these switches whenever it gets failed.
Okay.
Because of this, the controller will get damaged and the motor also will get damaged.
So then they will need to invest around
Invest
1,000
thousands of rupees.
Okay.
So, and the most another important thing is motor lock,
Okay.
shaft lock.
Okay.
What happens? This hole will get oblong
Okay.
and the motor shaft will automatically get rotates.
Okay.
This is the most important thing you have to fix to the motor.
Okay.
And this is the lock pin. These are the most important. Always it has been used.
What is the cost?
This calls you the pair of lock putty. What we will say is a lock putty of the motor.
Okay.
This will cost you 100 rupees.
100 rupees.
And another thing is these are related to the lithium batteries.
Okay.
This is the battery stickers, insulators, battery sticker insulators.
Okay.
We'll keep it in stock. Always we have. And this is the nickel strip.
Okay.
In this also you have different types of strips. This is 4 mm and this is 6 mm nickel
this is
strip.
used for?
Spotting the batteries,
Okay.
lithium batteries.
Okay.
And another model is also we have strips. This is the H type,
Okay.
which is used for 18650, and there are different type of H type strips are there for 26650, 18650, 32650. All these batteries have a different sizes of these H type strips.
Okay.
This is the machine. It is a manual one.
Okay.
If you want to see, I'll show. Here, when you want to increase the current, depending upon the cell and the type of strip you are using, you can increase the weld current here,
Okay.
and it will count how many number of spots you have done
Okay.
up to 9,999. Again, it will come to 0.
Okay. So for welding this lithium ion cells.
Lithium ion cells.
Okay. So this is the for kind of microscopic thing. Is it?
It is not a microscopic thing. Just will push. This is the pedal. When you push the pedal, it will get.
So this is how you got the cells, or by this?
No. They
Each
are
cell?
failed cells.
Okay, these are failed cells.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is the holder what we made ourselves,
Okay.
customized, done by myself. You can fix to any size.
Okay.
This is the holder what we made ourselves. This is how the batteries will get spotted.
Okay.
Just keep it here.
Okay.
When you want to spot it. Now the spot is very less. Just increase the spot current.
Okay. So
And you can see there is no black spot on this.
Okay.
Most of the spot weldings available in the market, they will give most of the black spots whenever you push the
Okay.
spotting.
Okay.
This is the best quality of spotting here.
Okay.
Electricvehicles.in motto is keeping the earth a safer place to live for the next generations. If you want to join our movement, you can support simply subscribing to our channel or sharing our videos or commenting on videos. Thanks for watching.